St. Thomas wanted man held in police operation. Hi again and welcome. This is Links Sam TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 7 TV News Report. The St. Thomas police have arrested and charged a 21-year-old man who was on their wanted list. The man, identified as Rohan Miller, otherwise called Glen Age, of Carlaway, Harborview, Kingston 17, was nabbed and charged for wounding with intent following an incident on Jarrett Lane, Stroke Hall in St. Thomas on Saturday, May the 1st. Reports from the Morant Bay Police are that around 8:05 a.m., the complainant was walking along the roadway when Miller attacked him with a machete, chopping him multiple times all over his body. The complainant was rushed to hospital where he was admitted in serious condition. Miller was apprehended on a warrant on Friday, June the 4th in Stroke Hall community and was subsequently charged after a question and answer interview. His court date is yet to be finalized. This has been Links 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.